Thank you so much to Reese family, ayan, for inviting us. And siyempre, andito tayo ngayon para i-celebrate yung birthday ni,
Yeah.
nakalimutan ko tuloy.
We can hear you. Come on now. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less problem. One less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less problem. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong. One less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong. What you got?
Smart money betting, I'll be petting, I'll be touch it. In the time I'll be forgetting all the crowd. You say that you know, but you really doubt to understand. All I'm saying when I get around you. Iggy, to big it to bitch. So then I'm thinking I love you, so love you more than I love you. But and the last thing, so beautiful, you listen, and you wanna come back, but a little bit less. And I'm saying, do you want? I've been saying to you now, I can do what you say. I'm feeling you, baby, you don't stop. I got nothing I come, but you want like what? One less problem. One less problem. Baby, the glass gone away on my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that I got
One less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong. One less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong. One less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong without you. I got one less wrong. Here's one. Come on.
I'm at a point that's sweet to the one that came and it sounds so sweet when it said my name. I said, boys, honey pack, you can talk that double, can you play that sax? I'm at a bar side, but you're not to boss it like you're right time. Let's check you on my boys, honey pack, you can talk on everything sad. Baby, I'll be waiting for the one to blow my mind. Baby, you can get it if you got a thing outside. she can do it like I do. I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way. And I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else.
Come on.
No.
Yeah.
If I was you, what would we need? What would we need? What would we need? If I was you, what would we need? What would we need? What would we need? To the base up. I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way. And I can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. If I was you, wanna be me too, wanna be me too, wanna be me. If I was you, wanna be me too, wanna be me too, wanna be me. If I was you, wanna be me too, wanna be me too, wanna be me too. If I was you, wanna be me too, wanna be me too, wanna be me too, wanna be me too.
Here's one.
Magsimalakpakan naman! Alright! Sayawan na!
Talk to me, tell me your name. You blow me out like you always say. You lit a fuse and now we're taking away like a bomb. Yeah, baby. Talk to me, tell me your sign. You switch inside like a Gemini. You play games now we're hitting my heart like a drum. Yeah, baby. Well, if you lady love, that's on my side. We gonna rock this out loud. I let her run till she not come out. She walks like she talks and she talks and she walks. She bad, she bad. Oh, baby, when she moves, she moves. I'm a crazy 'cause she looks like a flower, but it sings like a bee. Like every girl in history. She bad, crazy by the way she moves. No one ever looks so fine. She reminds me that you woman got one thing on her mind. Me, tell me your name. I'm just a link of the things that change. Your other sounds like a Italian with mom to the stars. Yeah, baby. Talk to me, tell me the news. You wear me out like a pair of shoes. We'll dance until the band goes on the road, get warm. Yeah, baby. Well, you look like love should be a pride and better love me up all life. I hear that you wanna get one thing out of mine. She back, she back. Oh, she moves, she moves. She back, she back. She moves, she moves. She backs, she backs. Oh, baby, when she moves. And the way it says her lips like a fire, but it stinks like a bee. Like every girl that is. Alright, thank you so much.
Alright, ayan. Palakpak naman.
Ayan.
Okay, dapat mapasayaw natin sila.
Yes. At syempre, kung may mga request po kayo, you can send your request.
Ayan, kahit 3 to 5 songs mo, baka sakaling alam po namin. And
Mabaling
once again,
nyo ipukaw, mabaling nyo isurat. Kasi
and maraming salamat po sa nag-imbita po sa amin dito.
Oo, lalong-lalo na kay Sir Sam and Ma'am
Ma'am
Marina
Marina.
Ruiz.
Yes.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin.
Ayan, maraming
Oo.
salamat
Di
po.
nyo alam sila din yung yung mga nanonood sa ating live streaming. Ayan, mga followers natin at saka,
Ayan.
oo.
Yes, at
Ayan.
syempre, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, kami nga po pala ang The
R&B
R&B and
Side
Side
Street
Street Band.
And
All the way
pwede nyo rin
from
pong,
San Nicolas.
Ayan, pakipalo ngayon habang nanonood po
Palo,
kayo.
oo.
Yes, nakalive
Palo,
palo.
palo, pakipalo po.
Ayan. Search nyo lang po yung R&B band. Ayan.
Yes, sa ating Facebook
Page.
page.
Ayan.
Oo, nakalive ba tayo?
Yes, nakalive.
Yes.
Nakalive talaga si Jigger. Ayan. Hello, Jigger. Ang pinaka-nervyosong
Nervyoso.
Ayan.
Oo. Sa mga R&B believers, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ayan.
Yes, hello.
Oo, pwede kayong mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel and sa ating
Facebook
page.
page.
Oo. R&B Band. Ayan, i-search nyo lang po yung R&B Band sa ating Facebook.
Yes.
Ayan, at mapapanood nyo ngayon. Ayan, naka-live tayo ngayon. Ayan.
Alright, yeah. Here's one.
At paki-share na rin.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, at kung may mga request kayo dyan,
Mag-send lang po kayo dito. Ayan, free lang po ang mag-request.
all this time, I knew someday you need to find something that you left behind, something I can give you. All these tears and like a light
There's no one here but you and me. The broken hearts relight, lock the doors, leave the world outside. All I've got to give to you are these 5 words when I thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. I never knew I had a dream until the dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the skies are different blue. Rose my heart, how I know these guys. If I tried to make believe that you believe my lies, thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. You pick me up when I fall down. You ring the bell before they count me out. If I was running, you were born to see. Reach you all out to rescue me. Yeah, 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 lock the doors, leave the world outside. All I've got to give to you, these 5 words when I thank you for loving me, for being my eyes. Oh, when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me when I couldn't fly. Oh, you gave me wings for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. Oh, for loving me. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much and thank you for loving me and para sa mga nagmamahalan. Ayan. Sino po mga single dito ngayong gabi? Single! Ayan,
Ay,
tingin
mga
mo kasama po
single.
May mga
kamay.
nagtaas.
Taas ang paa.
Single!
Sa mga single, oh.
Single parents.
Single.
Awanin, puro double.
Ayan, inuulit po namin. Kung mga may request po kayo dyan.
Alright, here's the one.
know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you appear to love, but the love's fall apart. Your little piece of heaven tests you down. Listen to your heart when it's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the dark. Yeah, just slip away. Nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dreams. Listen to your heart, and it's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said I'll bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one that is good enough. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. Our brother didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. You're still the one. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Alright, thank you so much. Ayan. You stick the one na lang. Ayan.
Anong na? Stick.
Stick to one, my love. Alright, thank you so much. And once again, another love song. And habang inaantay po namin ang inyong song request, and pakisulat lamang po. And baka sakaling alam po
Eto,
namin.
may request, oh.
Ayan, later
Ayan,
on,
meron
ayan,
na pala.
magsasayo po tayo ng mga valse.
Oo.
Cha-cha, ayan.
Balse, cha-cha, ayan. Siyempre, amok magustuhan dati si Siwit kan dayang-dayang ito, ayan.
Ayun na nga. Meron tayong song request dito na
Mamimiss
Kita by Mother and Son, and that's what friends are for.
Why?
Okay, stand by for
And stand by
that
lang
song.
for the song request.
Yes. And this time I'd like to give you a song from Heart.
All right. Come on.
We live two different lives, just like two lines that never cross. And here we are together, standing closer than we are. But really standing here untouched, too scared to make a move. We want so much to touch, and we can wait forever. We know it's dangerous for us to be together. How do we ever keep this secret? How do we keep it in the dark? And if we dare to taste our weakness, how could you coming to me, walking in the pouring rain. I can't help looking at you, wishing I could stay away. So many times I've tried in vain to close my eyes and pray it goes away, but I can't stop myself from feeling. To let you go would be too much for me to take. How do we ever keep this secret? How do we keep it in the dark? And if we dare to taste our weakness, how we can tear ourselves apart? Why do we keep this love together? Didn't we know right from the start that we would have to keep this secret or forever stay apart? I can't help thinking when I look into your eyes how much I need you. It's so hard to hide. How do we ever keep this secret? How do we keep it in the dark? And if we dare to taste our weakness, how do we tear ourselves apart? Why do we keep this love together? Didn't we know right from the start that we would have to keep this secret or forever stay apart? Okay. Ayan. Okay ba yung Mami Miss Kita? A special request? Mami! Oo. And... Okay ba yon? Okay. Yung ano, that's what friends are for muna. Wait lang. Wala tayong ano eh. I-google natin.
Alright. Kanina po nag-request po dito ng That's What Friends Are For and
Sino ba yung nag-request, ma'am?
Mamimiss Kita.
Para naman ma-acknowledge natin yung pangalan nila o kaya ma-shout out natin. Anong pangalan? O anong pangalan ng grupo niyan? Diyan. O, anong pangalan ng tropa? Ano po? Roldan family?
Ayun. Rondan family.
Sandali. Kasi Okay. Roldan family. Okay. Ayan. Para sa inyo to. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I've got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And then I should never go away. Then I close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can't remember, keep smiling
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. And that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. And that's what friends are for.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you, oh, and then for the times where we are apart. Well, then close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember,
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me, oh, for sure. 'Cause I tell you, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. Come on, baby, that's what friends are for.
In good times and in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. On me. I don't devotion, I don't devotion. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining. Okay, ayan para sa ano, Roldan family. Okay.
Yes, maraming salamat
Pinay lang.
po for the song request.
Parang pinapakinggan pa yung
Yes.
At dahil dyan,
ano.
joke lang.
At dahil
Practice
dyan
lang.
pumalakpak sila ng malakas.
Thank you so much po.
Yes, ayan.
Ayan, kahit
Itatry po
palakpak
natin
lang
yung
po. Ayan,
request po
okay na po sa amin.
Kung mamimiss kita.
Salamat.
Mamimiss kita.
Mamimiss kita.
Kung mamimiss mo siya.
Mamimiss kita, baby.
Kung sakaling mamimiss mo siya.
I miss you.
Aba, boy, naka, ano ka ah?
Sa uniform.
Uniform.
Alam mo na,
Naka-orange ka.
empanada kayo.
Hapit na hapit.
Ikaw naman.
Alam mo, Itay, dapat tanggalin mo yung isang yan. Para kang ano eh.
Ayan, sumayaw naman
Ayan,
kayo
pwede po
dyan.
kayong sumayaw. Ayan, kuha po kayo ng mga partners nyo dyan, yung asawa, jowa ninyo.
Yan. Pwede
The
mong
stage
isumayaw.
is yours.
Yung mga couple.
Oras na naman ng aking paglayo. Ukay tamis na
Oh, Roldan family, magsipalakpakan naman kayo dyan. And the Ruiz family, ayan, siyempre, na-miss tayo ng mga Ruiz family, kaya andito sila ngayon.
Lambing at titig mo, ang mainit mo, mga halik ay nasa labi ko. O mamimiss kita, o aking sinta. Mahirap man itong tanggapin, ngunit ako'y aalis na. O mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-alala at ako ay babalik sa'yo, sinta. Nasa puso't isip ko mga alaala mo. Nalulungkot, nasasaktan lagi itong damdamin ko. Ngunit ako ay masaya sa idinulot mo. Wagas na pag-ibig, tunay hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. O mamimiss kita, o aking sinta. Mahirap man itong tanggapin, ngunit ako'y aalis na. O mamimiss kita, mahal na mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-alala at ako ay babalik sa'yo, sinta. Mga pusong luhaan pa ang di ko mahagpan. Nalulungkot ako dahil ikaw ang aking iiwan. May sayang pagsasama, puno ng kulay at sigla. Di ko maiwagli sa isip ko ang kagandahan mo. O mamimiss kita, o aking sinta. Mahirap man itong tanggapin, ngunit ako'y aalis na. O mamimiss kita, mahal na mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-alala at ako ay babalik sa'yo, sinta. O mamimiss kita, o aking sinta. Mahirap man ito ay tanggapin, ngunit ako'y aalis na. O mamimiss kita, mahal na mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-alala at ako ay babalik sa'yo, sinta. O mamimiss kita.
Alright, thank you so much for that song request. Ayan, O Mamimiss Kita, and that's what friends are for.
Sino ba yung namimiss mo?
Namimiss ko na siya.
Sino? Sino?
Marami sila. Oh, naku, ikaw.
Ayan, siguro yung nag-request, may namimiss siya.
Yes, syempre.
Sino po ba yung nag-request?
Ayan, lika baby, may request.
Ayan, may laman, inay. Ay, wala ba?
Ito naman. Bilis mo. Okay.
Malay natin. Oh. Diba? Pero gusto namin.
Okay. Okay. Ayan. May babatiin lang tayo.
Alright.
Ayan.
Yes.
Asan ba si, si Lori?
Lori.
Lori.
Ayan.
Lori.
Hi, Ma'am Lori.
Ah, yes.
Where are you? Sir po ba or ma'am?
Madam,
Madam?
ano ka
Oh,
ba?
mama. Yes, and behalf of the R&B and the Sideshow Band, together with the Reese family at sa mga andito ngayon, we'd like to greet a happy birthday to...
Ma'am Lori!
Ayan, asan si Ma'am Lori? Tumayo ka
tayo
naman
po.
dyan, Ma'am Lori! Alright!
Yung maganda pala doon.
Magandang dilag doon. Ayan. Kantahan natin ng happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Lakas na natin naman! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, and once again to Lori, happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come.
Once again,
Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Ilang taon na si Lori?
19. Lori para makita ka nila
Ayan,
dito.
nilagyan ng
oh.
bulaklak sa ulo.
Ayun.
Yes. Ang ganda-ganda naman ni ma'am.
Okay. O, pero usog.
Baka the request mo,
Baka
Ma'am
busog mo.
Lori.
Ayan. Dati sumaroon no apo nga piyesa kat para ka ni Jaciel kan Lori. Ayan. Sige.
Ayan, pasayuin natin sila.
Okay, yung medyo sweet. Ayan. Jaciel and Lori, asan kayo?
Okay, tawagin na natin. There's only you in my life.
Ayan, palapakan naman natin si Jaciel and Lori.
Only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make, and I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do. And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love. Two hearts that beat as one. Our life has just begun. Forever, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. And love, I'd be a fool for you, I'm sure. You know I don't mind. You know I don't mind. 'Cause you mean the world to me. Oh, I know I found in you my endless love. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Jaciel at saka si Lori. Once again, happy birthday!
And kiss!
I'll be the fool for you. I'm
maraming salamat po.
Endless love. Sana, ayan.
Ayan. Thank you so much. And another song request.
Okay, ayan, pagsalaan tayo mamot apo diti kaaduan. Lalo na yung mga nanay natin dyan.
Yeps.
Alam kong
Yan, para mawat-wat apo na kita
Ah,
itom-toming tayo.
talagang alam ko,
Mag-isayan.
talagang
Mag-isayan ba si cholesterol
gusto,
tayo?
gusto na nilang sumayaw. Oo. At eto na, para sa inyo. Ayan. Oh, te. Oh, sabi ko na nga. Oh. Te, halika, halika. Sayaw na. Oh.
Sino pa'y dinamdamo, ngayon ka masirpa, kas kamalakay dalaya, alangal sen kalya, kas ang ginaw biyag ko, mantay kaya riga, nutikan makuros, patay magtupala. Ananawit ka pintas mo, ngayon ingumutin munay, umanaya sa likwang, budok teng ipatay, agayan kaita, lakasat sa diwang par, yan tangay ang tuya, na agkarikaga.
Sumala tayo amin na po. Asa na yung mga Ruiz family?
Simoy pa'y dinamdamo, ngayon ka masirpan, kas kamalakay dalaya, anangal sen kalya, kas ang ginaw biyag ko, mantay kaya riga, nudikan mapuros, patay pagkumpala. Nananuwag ka pintas mo, ngayon ingumutin munay, umalaya sa likwang, nudong teng ipatay, agayat kaita, takasat sa diwang pay, yan tangay ang tuya, maagkarikagan. Analuwag ka pintas mo, ngayon ingumutin munay, ikay umalaya sa likwang, nudong teng ipatay, agayat kaita, takasat sa diwang pay, yan tangay ang tuya, maagkarikagan. Yan tangay ang tuya, maagkarikagan.
And sumala tayo amin na po.
Narigan, nagtuog biyang itihawan. Trabaho, akan kanayo. Di kabagyan at surat, lumawa. Di bagana, kaya't naagatan. Agring ka, mamrikna ka, kabagyan. Sur-surwe, di ang trabaho. Di mo saksakutin, nakulak mo. Tatlong rumang ay biyag mo. Di dalaan ko. Rigan at trabaho. Di pa yan kiman.
Ayan, palakpakan tayo man apo. Digiti nagsala. Medyo nagkakahiyaan pa, ah.
Ayan, mamaya-maya yan.
Mamaya-maya yan. No?
Ayan, kung may mga gusto po kayong sayawin, pwede nyo pong sabihin, disco, cha-cha, balsi.
Ayan.
Ganon.
Pwede na pong sumayaw yung mga kusinera po dyan. Baka
Oh,
sakaling
yes.
pwede pong kayong gustong mag-request na pwede po namin i-play. Alright? And
Ayan, wag po kayong mahiya.
Oo. At
Para-
wag din kayong mahiyang mag-request.
Yan.
Yan.
Yan
Tsaka
ang pinaka-importante. Wag natin sayangin yung oras. Baka
Yes.
mamaya magpaalam kami tsaka na lang
Saka
kayo.
kayo mag-request.
Oo. Sige.
Ayan.
Ano ba yung mga gusto natin para mapasayaw namin kayo? Medyo nagkakahiyaan pa. Medyo
Wala
konti-konti
pa
pa lang
silang-
yung mga sumayaw.
Wala pa
May
silang
request po si
tama.
Sir Brian Raranggol, Kusilapan Ka.
Oh.
Yan si
Sige.
another song request. Bombastic.
Ayan.
Okay.
Tularan po natin si Sir Brian. Brian Raranggol. Ayan.
Asan ba si Brian? Brian Raranggol.
Hello,
Para-
sir.
Ayan. Huwag kang magganon sir,
Ayun.
para alam namin yung sisingilin, ha?
Ikaw na
Baka mamaya
Ito
magtago
na,
na
ito
yan.
na.
Hindi.
Ikaw na bahala.
Para kang
Okay na sa
Bombay.
amin yung malakasang palakpakan ninyo.
May
Ayan.
kasama Yawan. Ayan, maraming salamat
Ba't po
po.
kunti lang po yung pumalakpak? Hindi po ba tayo kumain lahat?
Hindi.
Inuwi kasi nila yung pagkain nila.
Hindi, marami doon, oh. Diyan. Medyo nakatingin lang sila. Ewan ko kung bakit. Magsipalakpakan naman dito, sa banda dito, oh. Yung malakas-lakas naman dyan. Dito sa gitna. Oh.
Awan, handa na nga.
Okay.
Walang energy.
Dito nga, yung may energy. Ayan. Dito talagang masarap yung kinain nila.
Sila yung busog na busog.
Sila yung nahuli
Meron
kanina.
silang
yan.
ano dyan, lechon baka siguro.
Oo. Di nyo natikman eh.
Walang ganun ah.
Yes, and this time, I'd like to give...
May lechon baka.
Oo, meron
Oo, sarap
Baka
yung
tinago
kinain
lang
ko kanina,
kanina.
Ayan.
lechon baka.
Ay, eto.
Ano kaya yan? Sir, ano yung kinakapkap mo dyan?
Eto, kilala ko to.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ayun.
Susi.
Sir,
Susi lang naman
asan po
pala
yung
eh.
motor mo, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Ayan.
Ay,
Sige.
ganyan ang mag-request.
Sige, standby lang ha. Ayan. Kakantahin natin yung request ni Jeff mamaya at yung ano yung muna kay Mr. Raranggol. Yung Kusilapan Ka. And an anusak.
Ayan,
Okay.
at saka merong nag-request dito. Yan.
Yes.
Meron yung 1,000 yung pera niya, pero 500 lang daw
May
yung
hihingi siya
bibigay.
ng sukli daw po.
Hindi daw siya ng sukli.
Wala lang sukli tayo.
Tayo, hindi po to sari-sari
Ito
store.
po, may 500 po dito. Pabalitan.
Sa bagay, may 500 kami rito. Talaga naman.
Maya,
May
Paid na po kayo,
ang
sir.
request
Paid
ni
na po.
Daddy,
Para
kaya...
mabilis yung usapan.
Ano ba yung request
Ang
niya?
request ni
Si
Daddy,
Siwit tsaka Dayang-Dayang.
Siwit-siwit.
Tay, paano kung di namin makanta yung request
Anong
mo,
pangalan
kunin
ni
mo ba?
Anong pangalan ni tatay?
Ano
Dapat
pangalan
tinanong
mo,
nyo.
Tay? Tatay Sukli.
Eh, balitika 250 yun, no?
Tatay Jacinto.
Ayun.
To Sir Johnny Duran, Hawaiano daw yun.
Ayan. Ayan, malay natin si Sir Brian
Oh,
pala.
ibalik niya ulit yung sinukli nating 500.
Oh, ito para sa'yo,
Sigurado
Ryan.
nito, dadagdagan ni Sir
Ryan
Brian.
Raranggol. Ayan.
Sir Brian.
Kusilapan ka. Pero wag tayong magkusilab-kusilab
Oo.
dyan, ha? Dapat isem lang. Okay. Yes.
Alright, here's one. Another song request.
Palakpak naman! Alright. And syempre, magpasalamat ulit tayo sa Ruiz family. More especially to Sir Samuel and Ma'am Marina.
Dagat metken kaidi anu gandat muntuak subli ay ke sorry teja may kari napalalong amin ti sakit na daydial daw api manaw ka sedi kapay pulos kimita. Tinaglabas, niruruam ko, tinagwayas, sakbay, nalipatan ka, naminanok
kumabyak ko at subli ka, hindi naglata, ingit kita. Indunat sarak ka, kung silaban ka, ipasulit ko to'y mata, ako mitakin ka. Sakto ba'y pangado, yan ibababa, tas tanto parang ibalik na. Anak yagat ngawan ka.
Yes, this song is dedicated to Sir Brian Rango.
Yes, Sir Raranggo, asan ka, Sir Brian? Kaway-kaway naman dyan, Sir Brian Raranggo. Indunat sarak ka, kung silaban ka, ipasulit ko to'y mata, ako mitakin ka. Sakto ba'y pangado, yan ibababa, tas tanto parang ibalik na. Anak yagat ngawan ka. Amok nagpagawikan na amiris mo nagtitigdam. I mean, sorry, damage has been done. Dinetim pagarup sa emay turan, balay iket masarakan, kalpasan nga syakit panawa. Indunat sarak ka, kung silaban ka, ipasulit ko to'y mata, ako mitakin ka. Sakto ba'y pangado, yan ibababa, tas tanto parang ibalik na. Anak yagat ngawan ka, ngem pinapaisuanan na, may iliwak nagtakin ka, parin mo, babae lang mo, nga araw biden nga. Indunat sarak ka, kung silaban ka, ipasulit ko to'y mata, ako mitakin ka. Sakto ba'y pangado, yan ibababa, tas tanto parang ibalik na. Ama biyagat ngawan ka.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Brian Rango, for requesting yung song. At dahil sa kantang yan,
Maraming salamat po.
nagbigay si Sir Brian ng
1,000 pesos! Thank you!
Have a good time!
Itatak mo, itaktak mo. Itak-itak, itaktak mo. Itaktak mo, itaktak mo.
Ay,
Itak-itak.
thank you so much!
Itaktak mo.
Ayan, maraming salamat po,
so much,
sir.
sir.
Mr. and Mrs.
Brian
Brian Rarangol.
Rarangol.
Ayan. And this time, I'd like to give you another requested song coming from another Ilocano song.
Yeah. Ayun, ano yun, Daddy?
Para sa nag-request po kanina ng sisiwit tsaka dayang-dayang.
Magpapasok si Sir.
Up next po.
Up next po.
Oo.
Yes.
Sunod
Yes. Mabalilatang ati agpauna nung kwan, sir.
Onsa. Ay, madi ka ni mabaling maisala
Daddy,
dati.
ado ti maisalat.
Daddy, mabalilat nung kat agpauna ti request, sir.
Wow.
Oo.
Sir, mabaling
Madi
Advance,
mabaling pa,
advance.
sir.
sir.
Mabalilat at advance di request
Can
mo, sir.
deposit, sir.
Time deposit na. And this time, I'd like to give you another Ilocano song. And this song is dedicated to Sir Jeff Reese.
Ayun.
Okay. Anusa. When, sir?
When, sir? Okay.
When,
Oo.
sir?
So, mga lakat partner mo, sir, tagsala kayo.
Kaya to mang pidot din ang sir.
Yes.
Hindi po pwede, sir.
made.
Madi, sir. Ngayon, mabaling kami agsalad to, sir.
Ito kami lang,
Mabaling kayo
sir.
magsalad.
Awan ang singer nga, sir, no, ano.
Mabaling lang tapos, sir,
Sabayan,
kami, Jay, kalang
Sir,
When,
hindi ka,
sir?
sir, tags.
Bam, da,
Sabay tinga.
Rikusan da kanto latte. Jayan, sir.
Palawlawan na kanto, sir.
Wow.
Jeto, yeti,
Edi
Martin na
pay lang,
maganda.
edi pay lang. What? Anusa.
Sir, agan anos ka pa yun.
Right.
Agan anos ka pa lang, sir. Anong pangalan ni sir? Eto muna, sir, kasi request. And standby lang po sa si Siwit and Dayang. Dayang.
at sa puso maligaya.
Alright! At syempre, dahil sa kantang yan, nagbigay lang naman sila ng 500 pesos! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much, Sir Jeff.
Alright, at this time, man, meron po tayong another song request ng request ng Sisiwit at Dayang-Dayang.
Oh, ayan na. Ito na! Sayawan na!
Yes, ayan! Ito na tayo yung sayo mo!
Hey! Sisiwit! Sisiwit! Bawat kong tinumaan, uka ay alamang. Ikarong ang sisiwit na ata.
Sayawan na! Come on! Ayan! Sir, doon tayo. Sir, doon tayo.
Sisiwit, sisiwit.
Tayo. O, dyan ka. Halika, te. Sayaw ka. Halika. Dali, dali. Dito kaya. Teka natin.
Ay, kayo, Mami.
Ang kabimbangan.
Ayan, dapat nandito
Dito, dito,
tayo
dito.
para mag-enjoy. Come on! Dito ka mag-enjoy.
Yes!
Iko'y ko binisita, ikaw
Ayan.
di sumbot na.
Medyo may mapaindang kami. Oh.
Ako si Dua,
Mami, teka po.
maaman siya. Duopyon yung maamam mo, ayan sila lang ba yung nag-enjoy? Oy, come on! Tatlong maugaman nyo sa tuon sisiwit
Yes, sayo, Mami!
Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Nunungawaan, borborot ko. Sumulan, noong kumando. Dasakun, din paamon. Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Nunungawaan,
Let's go, Daddy!
borborot ko. Sumulan, noong kumando. Dasakun, din paamon. Sisiwit, sisiwit.
Ayan! Alright.
Alright,
Ayan.
thanks so much.
Bago natin ipagpatuloy yung kasiyahan, ayan. Gusto kong tawagin naman si Mama Marina Ruiz. Ayan.
Ayan, maybe call in Ma'am Marina Ruiz.
Ayan, at pagbigay ng kaunting mensahe.
mensahe, ayan.
Those.
Ayun. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At sa inyo
Ayan,
po.
palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Marina.
Don't be shy, ma'am. naimbag nga rabi itay amin kakabsat. Nervyosak.
Han, ito.
Babaan iti pamilya mi, Ruiz family. And in behalf of my husband, Samuel Ruiz, mabain mo't nga umay ditoy. So nga siyaklat ti agsaritan. Agyaman kami kakabsat iti yu umay yu itang rabi pinakiragragsak kada kami. Katno kasman adda basit nga nagkurkurangan mi kada kayo. Dumawdawat kami laangan iti dispensaryo kakabsat kat sapay la kumata na-enjoy yu wano ma-enjoy yu pa iti nga na nga malpas da ito yung panagragragsak tayo kan ikakman iti special acknowledgement ni architect Jan Sagaysay.
Wow.
Architect.
Yes.
Uy, arkitek, ayan, tumayo ka naman dyan.
Ayun.
Wow. Oh. Lika, arkitek, para malay mo kung maraming nanonood sa atin.
Yes,
oh,
naka-live
malay
po.
mo, may mga
nakakabsat
magpapagawa ng bahay dyan.
So nakakabsat iti nangitalkan mi nga nang patakdar kada ito'y simple nga balay mi kunak ngam iti daddo mga makakita na pintas ko na dakat agyamang kami iti kasla pinangidaydayaw da. Kasamot dagiti naganak mi ni Tata Dolpo ken ni Nana String agyaman kami iti panang supporter da kada kami bayat iti pinangpatpatakder mi kada ito nga balay mi. Thank you architect. No adaman mayat nga kasla ko maagpatakder mo't iti balay na kada kayo ditoy. Mabalin nyo lahat nga pagunyan iso nakakabsat. Kan kastamot nga itapay lang agyaman akon to the R&B band. Thank you iti oras nga impaayo kada kami. Kan kada kayo amin nga bisita nga adda ditoy agyaman kami apo kat naimbag nga rabi itayo. Ituloy-tuloy tayo lahat at agragrag sa kakabsat. Thank you.
Yes, ayan. Thank you so
Ayan.
much, ma'am.
Thank you din, Ma'am Marina and Sir Samuel. Ayan. For inviting us and most especially to Ruiz family at sa mga andito ngayon. Thank you so much.
Ayan, at may mga dumating tayong request dito na katulad na lang
Yung
ng-
ano pa,
Always
dayang-dayang.
Oo.
Dayang-dayang.
Standby po sa Always Remember Us This Way from Sir Brian Marangol.
Ayan, tuloy-tuloy na!
Ayan, sumayaw ulit!
Come on, Lori! Sayaw!
Yes, come on, darling.
Umiayak ka sa pulang ng parang sa tarik
Talagang ganado si tatay.
Michael Jackson, oh.
Ijang kay aging kukuna, aging papagipon, aging papangina, isabat-sabat tarik na uray, awan itsura na, nanapit kastigan na, mangilong aging kakinang isa. Pirit-pirit, pirit-pirit, papiri-papapirit, papiri-papapirit, pirit-pirit-pirit, pirit. Day-day-day, 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 Narawitan ang kaganda sa ipakat mo, di kaya't ay tarik ng uray, pugreno na batang uray, pugay na naman, tinagtilmaan kes saan, lakit tunay abang papuntan. Pirit-pirit, pirit-pirit, papiri-papapirit, papiri-papapirit, pirit-pirit-pirit, pirit. Musika ay napili
so much. Ayan,
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
At dahil sa kantang Dayang-Dayang at Sisilit, nagbigay lang naman sila ng 500 pesos. At syempre,
Thank you so
meron
much.
tayong
Thank you so much!
thank you so much! Yes! At meron tayong request dito na tarong from Sir Jassel Ganal and Ma'am Lori.
Ayan, nag-request pa siya
Hawaii
ng
Boys
ng,
family.
Ayan, para sa mga Hawaii Boys, family, and...
Kawai.
Kawai Boys.
Boys. Kawai
Ayan, tsaka
Boys.
nag-request pa sila ng
Always remember us this way.
bukel-bukel. Ayan,
Yes.
standby lang po.
Ayan, standby lang po sa ano. Iba pang mga request.
Right, here is go.
Ito. Sayawin po natin, ha?
Special request!
Pinchot me, las clase taro, at the violet, puro que gurite, at gana puto, at ito que nalume, na imas kami, basta sumre karabuko, tay tarong anak puto, para pang papel. Tay tarong metana lukmig. Maya tunay nga i-shake-shake. Tay tarong ang kurite. Diyan matigat ka makaayek. Tay tarong aatito. Pampuki-puki. Uray ka lang magtutal. Magtutal. Yan maidala. Gitarong at talaga. Bukil na.
Ikinip, Daddy. Ikinip. Ikinip. Salam.
Gas gitarong. Na vitamina titarong. Isot ka imasan. Ang klase titaraon. Mabalik nga isaw-saw. Matis ka matis bagong. Titarong at talaga. The best ama sila. Nagmayag ka matmatan. Doon bibitin din po una. Putulong mga ay ayo. No akuti-kuti at talaga.
Lato-lato.
Nang mayat nga'y ayamin. At lalong presko pa'y lain. Ay nang maawis rig na. Peke-pekele. Titarong at talaga. Mga dito gitibia. Titarong at talaga. At imas na.
Ay, Daddy.
Titarong at talaga. Mga dito gitibia. Titarong at talaga. At imas na. Ay! Tarong!
Ayan. Siyempre,
Ano?
thank you so
Talaga.
much sa nag-request
Sige, mas talaga,
na si
Tita Ro.
Sir Jassel Ganel and Ma'am Lori and Kawai Boys family.
Maraming
Ayan.
salamat po. Tita Rong, punto ang makapag-blessing.
Yes. At syempre, dahil tarong yung request, na duma-duma nga tarong ken tarong itinted ni ganyan. At dahil dyan sa kantang yan, nagbigay lang naman sila ng 1,000 pesos!
Alright, thank you so much.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po. At this time, and meron pa tayong another song request dito. Nag-request ng
Always remember
Birthday
us this
celebrant.
way. Ayan, may birthday ulit.
si Ma'am Lori.
Ay,
May request.
Ano nag-request siya?
And always
Ayan.
remember us this way and bukel-bukel.
Oo.
Ayun.
ayan. This time, would like to give you another request from Sir Brian Rarangol.
Okay, and this time I'd like to give you another requested song coming from Sir Brian Rarangol. Ayan. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Love is in the night, but we try to ride. We don't know how to ride, but don't we try? But all I really know is where I wanna go, to part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Yeah. So when I'm all jumped up, but I can't find the word. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Ayan, para kay Sir Brian Rarangol. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
At dahil sa kantang yan, nagbigay lang naman si sir ng 1,000 pesos. Thank you so much.
Sir Brian Rarango. Another 1,000 pesos. Woo! Thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat po. And of course, ayan, binabati po rin namin yung mga nanood po ng R&B Believers.
R&B Believers.
Ayan.
R&B Believers.
R&B Believers,
Alright. Meron lang naman tayong ano.
Ayan, 200
Magti-300
and
na.
counting. Magti-300 na.
Oo.
Ayun. Ayan, share lang po.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Pa-share po para
And of course to Sir Luisito kay Sir Luisito Cruz, ayan. Belated happy birthday.
Yes.
Ayan.
At this time, ayan, meron pa tayong another song request.
O yung ano kanina, bukel-bukel.
Ah,
Oo.
bukel-bukel.
Yes.
Oo.
Sino nag-request na?
Nagramot
Request ni
si
Ma'am
Bukelen. Tatay
Oo.
pila guru.
When? Nagduyog ang kakawin.
Pinagduyog.
Wala na
Sa
yung
dagita bukbukel yon.
Nalisaya.
Napandag.
pag yung bukel-bukel, naalala ko yung
Oh,
ano
kasi
yung...
hindi
hindi.
lato-lato.
Ano ba yung masarap na...
Tambo-tambo.
Tambo-tambo.
Oo, tambo-tambo.
Yes.
Oo.
Tambo-tambo ba itong katawag dito yung inay?
Kanya
Aan.
mikat ano, paridus.
Ay, paridus-dos. Same. Ako mapaggatang.
Tambo-tambo.
Ako mapaggatangan ti paridus-dos talaga.
Baka tagar-arami dito eh.
Nagimas. Agaramid kan tuman fortune.
Si
Alam mo
Charlo.
bang
Si Charlo ate ang
gumawa?
DJ.
Baka the
Will.
Jimmy na ate.
Will. Charlo, magaling ka daw gumawa ng ano,
Ano, ng paridus-dos.
tambo-tambo.
Sabi ni Fortune.
Paridus-dos.
Ako nga, gumagawa ako ng ano
Bukel-bukel?
Oo. Pinapabilog-bilog.
Uy,
Ah,
iba yan. Parang iba naman yan.
Ay, ikaw yung...
Ay, alam ko na yun.
Iba yan.
Yung
Kulay brown niya.
Ipurwa ko.
Oh, sige na nga.
Alright, here we go.
Oh. Ayan, magsimalakpakan naman. Dapat ano, makisig naman kayo dito sa bukel-bukel. Come on! Ito na.
Nung puraw jay bukel.
Tambo-tambo. Come on, Classy.
Nung nalabaga jay bukel.
Bugayo!
Nung nangisit jay bukel.
Ay, takit kalbi.
Antikot ni Jigger Daytang. Ngimno, kuribet na jay bukel.
Ay, bukel.
Okay.
Siyempre. Diba?
Bukel! Bukel!
Ayusin mo, Classy, ha? Oh, eto. Dapat sumagot naman kayo dito sa pa-question niya, no, ni Classy. Okay. Come on, Classy.
Energy!
No natangken jay bukel makaarem daytang.
Ay, naku, ano bigla?
Ano tayo?
Noon na silip jay bukel kalbo daytang. Ay tama pugi.
Sabi ko, ayusin mo, ha?
No nakulog jay bukel nabangsit daytang. Ano?
Ano?
Deto yes. Ngem no naringgor jay bukel.
Ano?
Naringgor.
Anang road?
Naringgor ka
DJ
na.
ne.
Lato-lato
Dayta. Ay!
Bukel! Bukel!
Gusto na kayo yung lato-lato asan sa tenga, ha?
Ito yung met tinaduma-duma manin.
Mani? Oh,
Yummy.
mani na naman. Nako. Wag ka. Sige.
Shock day dyan. Joke lang. Taga-Bakara, day.
Hindi man hindi ka kabaka ka, ah.
Taga-Bakara. Mali! Mali! O, hintay mo, Jay. Naduma-duma nga buo.
Oo. Delikado. Nasira na nga yung buhok ko eh. O, nagpimili kayo. O, ano kaya? O, sige nga.
No, puraw, Jay buo.
Uban, daita.
No, nalabaga, Jay buo.
Kang kulay, daita.
No, unat, Jay buo.
Kareman, daita.
Ngem no, napiket, Jay buo.
Ano? Ano?
No, napigket.
Napigket. Napigket na buhok.
Adan!
Sila po dayta.
Ikaw nga, o, ang pigket-pigket.
Oo, parang buhok niya yung sinasabi.
Adan, napigkat nga buo.
Ambok dayta.
Pag napigket na
Ano?
yung buhok, sira na yan.
Oh, ulitin ta.
Ngem no, napigkat tayo buo. Buok ti agong day.
Ah,
Kasi ko ba?
Amok lakit din. Managkaot kayo diyan ako.
Buo! Buo! Last question na tayo.
O tignan mo yung ilong na kasi. Lagi mong
Wow naman. Ngem no, may sajay bukid. Boys!
dito nga sa bandang
Kanan.
kanan.
Oo.
No.
Ganun.
Lumaymay sa tibukel, mga ate. Anong tawag doon?
Single.
Loner.
Loner. Ayun na.
Pinagkapsot kayo mo.
Nakuha ni Ate Rich.
Alone.
Pinagkapsot. Lumaymay sa J. Bukela at sangbat na apo.
Lato.
Mesa ka lato.
May isa lang.
Lato.
Kaya lato lang.
Oy, sabi nila, bungaw. O, tama?
Ah, tabu.
Tabungaw? Hindi, bungaw.
Hoy! Mataas ang grade nyo.
Oo, alam nila eh.
Alam na nila.
Pero di ba ako nakakita ng ganun ah?
Ngem no,
May sajay bukid.
ay bungaw, dayta.
Ay, palakpakan naman natin dito.
Ayan, may prize ka dyan. May prize ka.
Oo.
Ayan, bigyan nyo na lang po, Ma'am Lori, ah.
Ma'am Lori, happy birthday. Alam niyo, ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Ma'am Lori. Oy, grabe. Ma'am Lori.
Ayan, tapos na
Bang
po yung
Lori,
kanta.
tapos na po yung
Ma'am
kanta.
Lori. We're done.
Alright.
We're done and you're next. Ano ba?
Sino ba yung nag-request ng bukel-bukel?
Si Ma'am
Si
Lori.
Ma'am
Ay,
Lori.
Ma'am Lori.
Ay, hindi siya sure. Hindi pala siya.
Nakalimutan.
Hindi yan.
Hindi daw siya.
Hindi siya na-inform.
Oo. Baka
Oo
si Sir
nga.
Brian.
Nakalimutan
Si
niya.
Sir Brian na lang.
Yes.
Alam niyo si Sir Brian, ang
Oo.
galante
Sir
talaga.
Brian, kung pala.
Oh, Glessy, alam mo na yung sisingilin.
Sabi na, parang ang bait. Alam mo si Sir Brian, parang ang bait. O, tignan mo, oh.
Yun. Dudukot na naman. Alright, sir, baka sakaling meron pa po kayong another song request.
Yes.
Paki-sulat na lang po at baka sakaling pwede po namin i-play yan yung song request.
Sandali, hintayin natin yung request ni Sir Brian. Parang may request pa si Sir Brian.
Oh.
Ano po? Ha?
Uhaw daw.
Eh,
Uhaw si Sir
Uhaw
Brian.
ka,
Kaya
ma'am.
uminom na siya.
Oo, nauhaw na si Sir.
Ayun.
Bakit bungaw?
Bakit bungaw?
Ang iyong bukel.
Bakit ikaw?
Ay, parang walang kasalanan.
Kanina ka pa, ha? Maraming nanonood, oh.
Eh, pinapatawa ko lang kayo.
Ang tanong, natawa ba kami?
Hindi nga.
Yun lang.
Natawa ba kami sa'yo?
Understand? I'm going to give you another request.
Another song request.
Song from...
And para sa mga nauuhaw, kanina pa kami nauuhaw.
And this song is dedicated once again to Sir Brian Raranggol.
Sabik na
Magsipalakpakan naman.
Maiyak
Ayan.
ka, masayaw sa ulan, ang mundo'y gagaan.
mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsadang patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang gaan. Tumilim man ang paligid ay ikaw pa